Girl, who says you need a spa for soft baby feet? Hey girl, welcome back to La Bellevue 2.0. Today's video is about foot care, my at-home pedicure routine, because soft life is literally from head to toes. I got up this morning, I looked at my toes and I'm like, my toes were looking not so presentable, my heels were dry and dehydrated, and I was like, let's fix that. So this is my simple at-home pedicure routine I'll be sharing with you today. It's simple, it's affordable, and always leaves me with baby soft feet. In my foot spa, I'm gonna add some warm water, some Epsom salt for relaxation, and a bath gel. Then I'll go ahead and soak my feet in, and I added some rose petals because I just needed that at home spa vibe, you know, the spa experience. This is La Bellevue and we keep it classy, we keep it soft, so this rose petals just makes everything feel softer. And I'm gonna let my feet soak in for 15 minutes. I use this moment to relax. I think of it as my feet marinating for softness. Exfoliation is the key, and it's where the magic happens. I go in with a foot file on rough areas like the heels and make sure to scrub it gently but very effectively. Doing this at least once a week would leave your feet feeling soft all year round. Trust me, girl, you just simply need to try this. This routine is very simple but yet very effective, and your feet will thank you. To rinse my feet, I'm gonna add some lemon slices into fresh water, and I'm gonna soak my feet again. The lemon is for freshness and it's giving that spa upgrade vibe. I let my feet soak in there for like 5 minutes and I go in with prepping of my nails. I'm gonna take off these press-ons. I've had them on for like 2 or 3 weeks now. When I tell you press-on nails always works for me, I do press-ons on my toenails and my fingernails and it lasts me up to 2 weeks or 3 weeks, sometimes even more. Get you press-ons, girls. Next, I'm gonna go in with an aromatic salt scrub, which I'm gonna use to exfoliate my feet and my lower legs as well. And I let it stay on for like 5 minutes before I rinse it off. And I tell you, after the rinse, I can already feel my feet feeling soft and feeling hydrated. This salt scrub works magic I cannot even explain. This is like a big secret to having baby soft feet, girls. Exfoliate your feet. Now it's time to prep my nails. Girls, let's avoid walking around with crusty, dusty nails. So I make sure I take my time to prep my nails very well. I file them, I trim them, I take out any gunk or anything that may be lying around the nails that do not need to be there. I just simply make sure to prep the nails very well as I get them ready for my press-ons. Simple when doing press-ons on my toes, so I'm just gonna go in with my glue and then the press-ons. I did go in for white toes this time around because white is just classy. White is actually my favorite color to have on my toes. It's just so beautiful and it just complements my feet. I don't know why. I don't know if it's just me, but white always does it for me. So I have to file them down to make sure they look good and they look presentable. going to pamper my feet some more with this foot mask, which is hydrating, and this has a lot of moisture. I'm just gonna put it on, and I have to wait for 30 minutes before I go into the next step. While waiting for my feet to drink up the moisture from this hydrating foot mask, I am gonna go ahead and pour me a glass of champagne while I wait, because why not? And while waiting for this 30 minutes, I decided to pick up my book. I'm currently reading this book right now. I'm just gonna sit and relax. So cheers. 30 minutes later, I have to take off the foot mask now, and I'm really enjoying the way my feet feels. Like, look at that. Look at that glow. Look at that moisture. And I will go ahead and moisturize my feet. I'm just going to use the remaining liquid from the mask to moisturize my feet some more. And then I'm going to go in with a foot cream. This foot cream has lavender and coconut oil. I'm going to use this cream to massage my feet as I focus on my heels, and I massage them very well. This is like my favorite part of this routine, because this massage just feels good, and you can see like the result of the work you just did, and how beautiful and how clean and how fresh it already looks. Like, the outcome is just so satisfying. Let me share with you all my little hack. This is a DIY Vaseline wrap with socks. Your feet will literally drink up the moisture overnight. If you do this weekly, cracked heels won't even know your name, girl. So try this mask overnight and wake up with baby feet. So yes, the truth is, soft feet aren't about a one-time fix. It's a small habit: the soaking, the scrubbing, the moisturizing. Do this weekly and your feet will stay baby soft all year round, because soft life is discipline too, and the discipline to care for yourself is from head to toes. Thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to La Belle Vie 2.0. Cheers!
Bye.